Now, tear up a salute I carry give you if you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV for Star Times, channel 195. As usual, this na the program when they come on smoke as e dey hot. Because we dey carry issue wey concern you and me when they inside this way obodo Naija to chook mouth inside. Wetin we dey discuss today na very important issue. We dey join the United Nations to celebrate the International Anti-Corruption Day when they celebrate every December 9th. And based on this celebration, we come dey look say, considering the fact say Transparency International mark one result, come release am, say Naija don improve small for the corruption perception index. People they look say the government they try as it take concern to pursue corruption comot inside this obodo Naija. And other people they talk say na deceive, we dey deceive ourselves. On top of us see the hot today, wetin we dey chook mouth on top. Now whether our government don't try, I be wedant, na English, they never try to pursue corruption inside this way obodo Naija. Yes, this na time to reason the matter well. Nkubi, how you take reason this matter?
When you start this program, the introduction, they describe our program, say it come out smoke. Smoke. I can't try imagine where the smoke, from which angle the smoke they come.
Oh guys, how you reason matter? You they talk like say you dey na beer parlor we dey. How you take reason this matter? Because me I dey vex. I won't enter into this matter. You dey tell me say this. Why you dey bring your voice down? Not be as the hot we dey discuss. Chook mouth inside this matter. How you take reason this corruption matter?
Calm, because the level that I don't want to follow it, they raise too much voice. Because people don't tell me, say, look, my raising voice thing, say, you know, they're good for my health.
You don't waste 3 minutes already. How you take reason this matter? Why you dey fear now?
This is it. We dey celebrate International Anti-Corruption Day. Okay, and then the major issue come be, for our own obodo Naija, Shina Anti-Corruption Day, we dey celebrate. I've been a pro-corruption day we dey celebrate. Because make you also know, say, look, for obodo Naija, the issue of corruption carry heavy weight. It carry weight. It sit down gidigbam. For obodo Naija, it sit down tight. Say, look, nothing dey happen. Look, oh, if not life, when I celebrate everything celebratable. Corruption, I have come to stay. So Chukudi.
You see, the problem when I don't.
From your own angle, you feel say.
Where you always they come from. The Confucianist angle. Because you always they confuse yourself. Remember what they always they talk our viewers. Say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make we they do our own investigation before we they jump into conclusion. To avoid seculus improbando.
No, they tell me say make I they do
to avoid seculus improbando.
And they present and the way it's supposed to be.
You know they present and the way when they take the B.
When governors are being accused.
What are you telling me?
After this last dispensation, when governors are accused of, a few governors are accused of corruption.
A few, mention them.
Chukudi.
Okay, no, they make financial statement. They mention names.
Things you know.
Give us names. Don't they tell me say I know.
These are things you know.
Don't they tell me say I know anything.
And then to come to mention names. You don't need it.
Your clothes don't soak.
As you said, they sweat.
Your clothes don't soak.
As you said, they sweat. It's not just your sweat.
Your clothes don't soak. My friend, you're on the hot seat. I will deal with you today. You will not escape.
How
can you be blaming the penny for everything?
Look, they've been accused of corruption. In the end, what you will see? They carry their case go court.
Thank you. They go court.
Wait,
they go court. Oh, they go court. I mean, they no go court. Thank you.
Let me EFCC carry them go.
EFCC, yeah. Economic and financial.
Who's EFCC? Who the supervise EFCC?
Supervise EFCC. What are you telling me?
Government. They carry their case. Wait, I'm still talking.
Everything when EFCC they do, they spelled out.
Indeed.
The EFCC have their work cut out for them.
They act independently.
They have their work cut out for them. Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. They have their leader.
I'm not done.
And their leader uses
when
his
discretion. When these people were being brought
what are you telling
court,
me?
in the end, what did we see?
What did you see?
We see case, they have their adjourn case, In the end, at the end of their adjourning, one knows that these people really steal money, they steal money, wait till we can't see. They build themselves out with huge sum of money. What then happens?
You go put yourself for trouble.
You don't know about
You know Sabi lawyer. I Sabi lawyers.
You don't know about
I get friends who be lawyers.
You don't know about this case.
Everyone is presumed innocent.
Chukudi,
excuse me.
You and I know that these people, this government, they steal money.
Allow me to land.
Let us tell ourselves the truth.
Allow me to land.
They steal money.
Allow me to land.
In the end, what they take bail themselves at, they bail themselves out. Okay, look, I know say this case, say we feel no they argue. See, we don't need to argue. See, now bailing.
Allow me to land. Everyone is presumed innocent until found guilty. in a competent court of law.
That is from your own perspective.
Excuse me, that is what it, that is the general practice that is obtainable everywhere in the world.
We know the kind of mago-mago
these people, they don't say they accuse these people, say they chop money.
Me and you viewers, we know the kind of mago-mago they happen.
Yes, our people went there for house, when I see the discussion. He don't they come out smoke, he don't they hot. We go rush, enter market. When we come back, we go open the phone lines, make una dey chook mouth inside the matter. The discussion still continue as they hot. Whether our government don't try pursue corruption for this country or they never try at all. We dey come back, make una no go anywhere.